Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Janathan Pavankar. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the future of mechanical engineering. As a mechanical engineer and mechanical professional, I know there is a very less video which guide us at the time of choosing career as a mechanical engineer or after graduation. We didn't find any particular guidance to where to make our career in a specific in a mechanical engineering, but in a specific way. So today I am going to guide you little bit about career path for the mechanical engineering. So let's start without wasting any time. If you are studying in a mechanical engineering right now and thinking your career is going to be a just gear, engines and manual machine shop, I want to make you aware about you should wake up. The traditional mechanical engineering job is shifting faster than ever in 2026 and beyond. The companies are as a mechanical engineer, they are trying to find beyond just looking for, they are not looking for just mechanical engineers now. They are looking for the T-shape engineers. In this video we are breaking down the five stepwise the five high paying future proof career path for the mechanical engineering, which going to dominate the next decade, and exact what do you need to master it and land that particular job. So um, the future is going to be as we all aware about the EV and smart mobility resolution. The electric vehicle, the internet combustion engines is faded out, but the demand of mechanical minds has actually exploded. Why? Because EVs have massive mechanical challenges. Look at the battery thermal management. Lithium-ion batteries heated extremely when we are using in a vehicle or in a data center or in any way. As a EV thermal, you can choose your career as a EV thermal engineer and responsible for designing the fluid cooling system that keep the vehicle batteries, EV batteries, or even in future you can see the rockets and other space exploration things are also shifting toward the solar and the batteries. So you can consider this one as your career path. If you want the specific video to land this your career in this particular role, let me know. I will try to make the one. So the second path for the mechanical engineer student, I would say I like also it is my favorite, but I don't have that knowledge. That's why I unable to get in that. But I want you to make your career in this second path because it is a high paying and a very exciting job for the mechanical engineer. That's robotics and mechatronics. So path number 2 is robotics and automation. And automation, you can say the mechatronics things. We have moved past industry 4.0 into the industry 5.0, where human are smart machine work side by side as a AI with AI and automation. If you can bridge this gap between the mechanical hardware and software, you can become irreplaceable. As you all aware about the layoffs and things, recently the LinkedIn, who gives the job, lay off the many candidates. So you should make yourself irreplaceable. As a mechatronics engineer, you can design the physical links and kinematic of robots, select the sensors for the particular job or location, and then the basic control loops. Then you can say the loops that bridge the metal to life. If you are likely seeing your code immediately moves piece heavy machinery, just this is your path. Then the third path which I like to suggest you the CAE simulation and digital twins, where the big money is most nowadays the big money is flowing in this path only. Advanced design, CAE, digital twins. In 2026, companies are rarely building the physical prototype. Earlier, we are in my first company also, where we are making the prototype, then we are going to send the customer, then the approval, then some changes and everything, and this is all totally on site. But nowadays we are not going to make any physical prototype. We have the softwares, CAD software, CAE things, and sys things. So we make that all the system prototype on the software and then send to the customer. Whatever the changes are fixed at a time, less duration, and quickly response is there, so you can make your career in the CAE simulation and digital twins also. Here you definitely here you need to learn some softwares. And then the fourth one, which is currently booming sector, and I can say as I am resident in Nagpur currently, so I am seeing recently 5 to 6 big solar manufacturing companies are recently open in Nagpur. So you can make a guess which sector I am going to talk about next. Yes, that is definitely renewable energy and climate change. Next up is green energy, the global pressure to hit the zero carbon carbon emission target of billion market tech companies. So next sector which I am going to talk is renewable energy and climate change. So as a mechanical engineer, mechanical engineers are needed to optimize the aerodynamics, massive turbine blades design, and the design structure component of the solar grid, and the boiler hydrogens, fuel cell storage, turbine units. If you uh, want a career that pays you well in current in ongoing, if you are a pass out student, so you can make your career in this field, and you can also contribute to save the trees and save the climate. The fifth and last career path, which going to be give you massive opportunity in next decade and current state, is the aerospace and defense tech. Aerospace and localization of defense manufacturing with the boom in the private space exploration and satellite constellations. Aerospace is no longer just a government game. As a structure or a propulsion and analysis, you can work with advanced carbon fiber composite and exploit alloys to design the components that can survive a vacuum or space or extreme supersonic heat. Currently, the US and Iran war, also Russia and Ukraine war, you can see there are the lots of rockets and defense equipment are used. So now the world is aware about the importance of the defense, self defense. So they are going to make the massive um uh, what I can say, the defense tech. So this will be the also the next booming sector to make your career in mechanical engineering. So finally, I am going to give you the short checklist to make yourself aware what the skills are required to get this job. How do you actually land this job? Having a high college GPA isn't enough to get this job anymore. You need a specific tech stack. By the time of your graduation, make sure you have one core tool like SolidWorks, CATIA, or NX. You can say the minimum one is required, and with that one you have to be at least the on as a fresher, at least you have the basic knowledge of working on that. Okay, then the second one for the simulations tool is ANSYS. Mostly organizations and companies are preferring the ANSYS for the structure and thermal, or you can also learn the MATLAB for the control system. Then if you are want to go in a simulation also, everyone should know at least one programming language. uh, so you can learn the Python to automate anything, or you can also, if mechanical engineering is in this, not just designed, many times you do the data analytics. So for that you have to work on Tableau to make reports, so that in that time you can also use the SQL language, which is basic language and easy to learn. So you can add this in your portfolio. uh, so this from my side. Just drop a comment what you want from what you want for next in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.